In this video, I will be showing you how to create unlimited Gmail account without phone number verification. So let me tell you that you can only do this with your mobile application. So what you're going to do here is to open your Gmail. And then here, what you're going to do next is to click your profile at the top right corner. If you tap this one and you scroll down, you will see here all the accounts that you have created here in your Gmail account. To create a new one, click Add Another Account, tap Google, and then wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. Now verify that it's you. And then after that, what you're going to do next is to just simply click this Create Account below Forgot Email. So what we're going to do now is we're going to click this for my personal use. So we're going to create a new account. So type your first name. Last name is optional, but I'm going to enter something here and then click next. Now enter your basic information, such as your birthday and gender. And then after that, click next. So after you enter your basic information, it's about time to pick a Gmail address or create your own Gmail address, but make sure that this one is not taken. So they will notify you if this one is not available. If it is available, then you can click next. Now enter a unique password here. Once done, click next. After that, review your account and then click next. So the last thing you should do here is to agree with the terms and conditions. So click I agree and then wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. Then you have created a Gmail address without phone verification. Okay, so you just have to do the same step, same method. Once you have created a new email address, you have to go to your email address again, tap the picture or tap this one at the top right corner, scroll down and then look for add account and then create a new account and do the same thing like what we did earlier. So I have tried this using my computer or my laptop, but unfortunately, I wasn't able to create a limited Gmail account. So if you want to create a new Gmail address or a new Gmail account without your phone verification, I highly suggest that you use your mobile application or mobile device to do this. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.